Hi guys, in this video we will see how to install watchOS 26.5 on your Apple Watch step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and is connected to its charger. Then keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi and place it near your Apple Watch. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone. Simply click on Watch app on your iPhone and here tap General, scroll down and tap on General Settings, and here tap on Software Update. If watchOS 26.5 appears, tap Download and Install. Make sure that your iPhone or and Apple Watch should be nearby, and Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and is connected to its charger. Enter your iPhone passcode if asked and let the watchOS complete your installation. It will take few minutes, so wait till full completion of your full installation of your watchOS 26.5. That's all.